In this video, I'll show you how you can insert animal symbols in Microsoft Word. Now first what you want to do is you want to head over to Insert, press on Symbol and choose More Symbols. Now from in here, you're going to choose the font Seago UI symbol and the subset will be extended characters. Then what you want to do is scroll down almost all the way to the bottom, and down here there will be many different animal symbols. Now, as you can see, I can just select them and insert, and then what you can do is you can make them bigger by going here, and also you can change the color. So let's say you want this one to be blue, you can do like that. You want this one to be red, you can do like that. You want this one to be yellow, you can do like that. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. It's super simple and it's super easy. Just follow along what I showed you and then you can do it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.